Okay, everyone, welcome to another public update. Excuse the noise in the background. I am currently outside, and like I mentioned in the previous updates, I want to be more consistent with these public updates. I just got through sending out the daily update for our paid members. All right, so those of you who received the update, I know you're excited about what's taking place. A couple of things. Our research is always getting better. Every week, our research gets more precise. All right. With this strategy, the good thing about this strategy is it pretty much depends on the market. In other words, if the market, for instance, currently we have a situation taking place in the market where, if you turn on the news, you'll be able to watch and see pretty much the same reports. The Dow Jones is falling and all of these indices are pretty much tanking. And that doesn't affect our strategy. Our strategy is just a real simple strategy. Basically, the principle goes like this. If the market tells us to sell, then that's pretty much the direction we take. If the market tells us to buy, then that's pretty much the direction we take. And it's broken up into two parts: long term and short term. All right. Now, there are some other more specific areas in our strategy, but of course, what I just explained is the gist. That's the basic principle of how this strategy works. Okay? With that said, let me pretty much go over a couple of things that I will be presenting in these upcoming weeks. All right? So normally I would talk about the current market value aspect of the strategy. I tend to put more emphasis on that part of the strategy. And the reason for that is because it's a little bit easier to take the current market value. And what I mean by that is this: for those of you who have a very busy schedule, most of us do, and you don't necessarily have the time or even the luxury to just stay in front of a computer or a device all day checking the market, then the current market value would be the best way to go. All right. For those of you who may have the time that's required, or for those of you who would prefer, let's say, collecting your profit every 2 to 3 days or maybe once a week, starting from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. So let's say you'll be able to collect, or if you want to collect your profits every Friday, let's say, before the market closes, then current market movement will be the best way for you to go. All right. So with current market value, you'll be able to collect your profits, let's say, anywhere from, I like to say every 2 weeks or once or twice a month. That's usually how I put it when it comes to current market value. You'll be able to collect your profit once or twice a month. So if we talk in the form of days, anywhere from 10 to 30 days of maturity. Okay, so you're going to have to give your account 10 to 30 days to mature, then you'll be able to collect your profit. All right. But with current market movement, it does require a little bit more attention, I should say. It requires a little bit more attention, a little bit more of your time. All right. So, but we do give the updates. So even if you missed an update during the week, don't worry. With current market movement, you'll be able to collect your profit usually at the end of the week. All right. Now, you'll have some weeks where the market may go a little bit, crazier than others, all right? And you may have missed your opportunity to collect your profit for that week. Don't worry. In most cases, about 80 to 98% of the time, it does go around that percentage range with current market movement. Once that transition takes place for the next market session or the next week, you'll be able to collect your profit when that week follows. Okay, so if you missed it in 1 week, you'll be able to collect your profit the next week with current market movement. All right, so with current market movement, it allows a more faster pace of collecting your profit, pretty much, to sum it all up. So those are the two things that I will be doing. And let me go ahead and go to this is the current market value account that we're just looking at here. Okay. So this is the current market value account. And let's go ahead and take a look at the current market movement account. So this is the current market movement account. And with the current market movement account, this is pretty much where we are right now. Okay. So I'll be showing both accounts, and today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. Okay. And so with this account, these trades were placed on Monday, and by Thursday or Friday, we'll go ahead and close these trades, collect a profit on this account, and start over again next week doing the same thing. All right, so we'll place those trades again next week on Monday, and we'll collect again on we'll collect again on Thursday or Friday of next week, and we just continue that process on this account. We don't do that on the other account. Okay, this is the current market movement account. If you're not sure about what I'm talking about when I say current market value, current market movement, it's all in my ebook, Easy Forex Trading. So if you haven't read it, check it out. Read the ebook so you'll get an idea. Also, if you join, you can take the 10 days free trial. You'll get access to our Google Drive. With the Google Drive, you'll be able to check out the previous videos, which I highly recommend you do. That way you won't be lost. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Check out the other videos, listen to the information on those videos, get a better idea as to what is happening, what is going on, what I'm talking about, how things work. Okay? So current market movement updates as well as current market value updates will be coming out publicly, as well as to all of our private members. If you are interested in account management, check us out as well. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Happy trading, happy investing.